can sit in the front. Space, empty space there, near the light. Tao sa ka program chole to ha tao burger ro bro phai pa ha ar patre yak bro sa su phain to nai nai.
Hello.
Oh, hi.
You can see me.
Nagaland कर देगा.
Now may I call upon the graduates of Master of Theology, please stand. Master of Divinity certificate. Upon the recommendation of the faculty, the board of members of the MI Graduate School of Missions has conferred the degree of Master of Divinity upon Ms. MIGSM, who having honorably fulfilled all the requirements prescribed by the MI Graduate School of Missions for this degree, given at Dimapur, Nagaland, February 12, 2011, signed Principal, signed Academic Dean. MIGSM, after his graduation, she will be serving in MI Church office as secretary and pianist. Handshake. Bow. Bow to the congregation. Next, Wetso Mero. She will be serving as office assistant at Dean's office for the MIDS. She is sincere, active, and humble. L. Mary R. She will be serving at Dean's office as assistant for graduate students, MIGSM. She is very sociable, keep giving. Sociable, jolly, and faithful. Just go ahead, don't wait for me. Propeto Lomi, he will pursue his music degree course after his graduation. He is good at singing, leading praise and worship. Yes, go ahead. You don't need to wait for me, I keep in reading, okay? Don't wait for me, just go ahead. Propeto Mero is now, go ahead. Is now church secretary of Fisherman Baptist Church. He is good at sports and leadership. Today, after his graduation, he will be going to mission field in Arunachal at MI India Mission Center in Namsai. Julian Miser is a pastor of Resama Baptist Church. After his graduation, he will continue his pastoral ministry. The other two friends, Christmas Tang Song Kai Absentia and Mugaka Yato they will receive their certificates in absentia. Now, Master of Divinity graduates, you may be seated. We have 13 graduates from the Bachelor of Theology. May I request now the graduates to stand, please. As I call your name, just go ahead. Don't wait and then to save the time.
Hello, this is Miko Sato. Please subscribe to Newton channel. We'll be back with another new video. Please like, support, and subscribe. Please subscribe. Please subscribe. Jot no soccer, jot no melee.
Tao graduation quay lại trước anh em bro phô thằng lại bay đi mà nó hả graduation bay tao ada photo bu này bu lại bay tao cái à giờ nó sắp tới là tích cả